Norway. GDP $434.8 billion. Population 5.3 million. Per capita income $74,357. The Kingdom of Norway is the westernmost country in the Scandinavian peninsula. Norway is made up mostly of mountainous terrain. Nearly all of its population lives in the south, surrounding the capital Oslo. Norway's coastline is made up of thousands of miles of fjords, bays and island shores. The Norwegians developed a maritime culture. They were active throughout the Viking era, establishing settlements in Iceland and Greenland. Netherlands. GDP $913.7 billion. Population 17.2 million. Per capita income $56,489. The Netherlands is situated along the fringes of Western Europe. The Netherlands is a coastal lowland freckled with windmills characteristic of its development around the water. Three major European rivers, the Rhine, Meuse, and Schelde, run through neighbors Germany and Belgium into the nation's busy ports. Sweden. GDP $551 billion. Population 10.2 million. Per capita income $53,652. The Kingdom of Sweden flanked Norway to the west and the Baltic Sea to the east. Sweden expands across much of the Scandinavian peninsula. Sweden is one of the largest countries in the European Union by landmass. Sweden capital city Stockholm was claimed in the 16th century, and border disputes through the Middle Ages established the modern-day nation. The United States of America, USA. GDP $20.5 trillion. Population 327.2 million. Per capita income $62,869. The United States of America is a North American nation. The USA has the world's most dominant economic and military power. The U.S. cultural imprint spans the world, led in large part by its popular culture expressed in music, movies, and television. The United Kingdom, UK. GDP $2.8 trillion. Population 66.5 million. Per capita income $45,741. The United Kingdom is a highly developed nation that exerts considerable international economic, political, scientific, and cultural influence. The UK located off the northwest corner of Europe. The UK includes the island of Great Britain, which contains England, Scotland, Wales, and the northern portion of the island of Ireland. Australia. GDP $1.4 trillion. Population 25.0 million. Per capita income $52,379. The Commonwealth of Australia occupies the Australian continent. The country also includes some islands, most notably Tasmania. Indigenous people occupied the land for at least 40,000 years before the first British settlements of the 18th century. Germany. GDP $4 trillion. Population 82.9 million. Per capita income $52,386. Germany, the most populous nation in the European Union. Germany possesses one of the largest economies in the world and has seen its role in the international community grow steadily since reunification. Germany borders 9 nations. Its landscape varies, from the northern plains that reach to the North and Baltic Seas to the Bavarian Alps in the south. Japan. GDP, $5 trillion. Population, 126.5 million. Per capita income, $44,246. Japan is one of the world's most literate and technically advanced nations in the world. Japan is an East Asian country made up of 4 main islands. While most of Japan is covered by mountains and heavily wooded areas. Japan roughly 126 million people lead a distinctly urban lifestyle. Today Japan blends its ancient traditions with aspects of Western life. Canada. GDP, $1.7 trillion. Population, 37.1 million. Per capita income, $49,690. Canada takes up about 2/5 of the North American continent, making it the second largest country in the world after Russia. The country is sparsely populated, with most of its 35.5 million residents living within 125 miles of the USA border. Canada's expansive wilderness to the north plays a large role in Canadian identity. Canada's reputation welcoming immigrants. Switzerland. GDP, $705.5 billion. Population, 8.5 million. Per capita income, $65,010. Switzerland officially called the Swiss Federation. Switzerland is a small country in Central Europe made up of 16,000 square miles of glacier-carved Alps, lakes, and valleys. Switzerland is one of the world's wealthiest countries and has been well known for centuries for its neutrality. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video. It's an UNH Creativity production.